Hey y'all, I'm getting an ice bath ready because I'm gonna make us a delicious salad. It'll be great for Memorial Day, you know, go with anything that you're having. And it just feels light and fresh and delicious. So it's very, very simple. I've got fresh corn, I've got fresh asparagus, and I'm sure you know to, in prepping your asparagus, you just pick it up and pop, and wherever it pops, that's where it needs to be broken. All right, so I've got my boiling water ready over here. I'm putting our corn in, and we're gonna boil this for 3 minutes. Okay, that's a lot of water. So I'm gonna dip some of it off. There we go. Now that'll blanch a little quicker that way. So 3 minutes. And then we're gonna plunge it into our ice bath because we definitely want it to stop cooking at that point. So if y'all would help me keep up with 3 minutes, it's been about 1 minute, so we got 2 more minutes to go. While that's blanching, y'all, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna mix up our dressing. And that's sugar, vinegar, purple onions. And purple onions are so strong. I would recommend. Do you smell them, Eddie?
Yes, I can smell them.
I mean, they're so strong. And we've got 1/4 of a cup of fresh basil that we've kind of just chiffonade. Done the chiffonade too. So now we're gonna.
Paula, what does chiffonade mean?
Chiffonade is when you roll up your herbs and you kind of just,
Slice them.
yeah, kind of like when you're thinking about doing collard greens. Okay, I just wanted to see if I could slowly work in that onion because it made more than what I thought. So you could actually make this up the day before and it would be really, really good after it has a chance to marry into each other. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. The clock on the wall tells me that. I just glanced over there and it said the long hand should be on 8, Eddie. So this is to stop that corn from cooking. And then we're gonna drop in our asparagus and we're gonna blanch it for 1 minute. Okay, corn. And y'all, I love white corn. Especially if you can get oh gosh, what is I've lost my mind.
Silver Queen.
Silver Queen, honey.
And it's now in season.
I know.
It will really be in season probably in the next 2 weeks.
You know, I've always heard that Silver Queen used to be what they fed the hogs.
Really?
Yeah, but nobody used that. It was strictly for the hogs.
Well, the
Well,
hogs
let
are
me
big
tell you
pig.
something. This hog would be real mad if them other hogs got it. Because it's ever more good. That's all we serve at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen is Silver Queen corn. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put in our asparagus and we're gonna blanch it for 1 minute. Asparagus doesn't take very long at all. And I'm going to dunk it down in this ice bath along with the corn. While I was standing up here blanching that corn, I had a piece of just raw asparagus and it was so good. Takes a little longer to get the asparagus out. Takes a little longer than getting the corn out. There we go. All right. Let's get that down there because we definitely want that asparagus to stop cooking. Okay, so we're gonna move over here to the counter, y'all. And we are gonna cut the kernels off of the cob. So this is a good way to cut corn off the cob. Just stick it in your angel food pan and it'll go right into the bowl of your cake pan. So if y'all want to get you something to drink, I'm gonna finish this up. And then we're gonna put this delicious salad together. Now you can eat it at room temperature or you can put it in the fridge, get it cold, and serve it real cold. It's totally your preference. All right, y'all, I just got through with the 6th piece of corn. So this is 6 ears that I've cut off the cob. And I hope y'all noticed that I cut this using my angel food cake pan. That corn sits down in there perfectly. That corn sits down in here perfectly. And when you slice, it goes right into your bowl. And you know, I just love things that can make your life a little simpler. And if y'all have any tips, please send them in to me so I can share them with all of our friends out there. That would be wonderful. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do, look, a little bit of it fell through that hole. The next thing we're gonna do is take our asparagus and I put it on some paper towels so it could drain. And we're just gonna cut our asparagus on the angle like that. Just makes it a little bit prettier. And you can make as many pieces as you want to. In fact, you really don't even have to cut it if you don't want to. So it's strictly a personal preference. And now, for the part that's a little bit more fattening than this part. Like I said, my tip on this would certainly be to make this up the day before, or you can actually make it all the day before and let it sit in the refrigerator and marinate. Would be a wonderful idea. Look how pretty that is. That is so, so pretty. All right. Look at that basil. That basil gives it the best flavor. So, so I want to tell you what was in our marinade. A red onion, 1/4 of a cup of chiffonade fresh basil leaves. That means you just kind of sideways it. 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 cup of rice wine vinegar is what we used, and some salt and some black pepper. But I am going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. because I think Michael will really eat this one up. And I just won't tell him that sugar is in the marinade. He'll find that out when he breathes in that ketosis machine he's got. But y'all know since he started this diet, he's been in ketosis every time, even if he cheated and ate a cookie. So that's good. All right, now I'm gonna come in and get me a real bite. It's just delicious. I think this will be such a nice change from, oops, sorry about that. Did I bust y'all's eardrums? I think it'll be a nice change from coleslaw or potato salad or macaroni salad. I think everybody will really enjoy this. So if you need a new recipe for Memorial Day, there you go, kiddos. Try that one. I think you'll like it. No, I think you'll love it. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.